Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update on the new theme park here that's being built in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And I'm just going to turn the camera around. It's at 14th Avenue North. We're just going to take a tour around the outside so you can see what's actually going on. So it looks like they're making progress. The roller coaster that's going to go around the outside of the park here looks like it's pretty much in place. As you can see, there's a teacup ride here, and there's going to be a walk-up bar here. There's also, let me get up around here so you can kind of see. There's also going to be a walk-up bar, some games, but it's going to be the Myrtle Beach FunPlex, opening spring of 21. So as you can see, it looks like it's going to be opening because they're making a lot of headway. Now, we've had a lot of rain, so there's been some delays, obviously, but you can see the rides are getting installed. So is this something that you guys are gonna, when you get to Myrtle Beach, that you're gonna be doing? Let me know, comment below. So let's go around the outside here, on the other side, so you can see it from a different vantage point. So there's going to be something for everybody here. Go around the back. Obviously a lot of construction here, but looks like really made a lot of progress in the last couple weeks. Here you go. As you can see, it's across the street from the Yachtsman, and it's at 14th Avenue North. And the Boulevard, which is the complex, which is right across the street. So kind of give you a perspective of where it is located. But you'll be able to enter from either side here. And we'll go around the other side and show you what's going on over there. There you go. That looks like a fun ride that I'm not going to be getting on, huh? How about you? Are you going to get on that? Something you're going to be doing? Okay, so let's walk all the way around the other side. Give you the full tour all the way around. All right, so there you go. Latest update. Myrtle Beach FunPlex in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, hope you're having a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next episode. Here we are on Ocean Boulevard.